Welcome! Today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery into XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021. First of all, open your gallery and, for example, choose some photos you want hide. So select this one, then need click Add to Album on the bottom and choose Private Album. To view the items in Private Album, swipe down in Albums. Okay. Now need login or create account into XIAOMI Cloud, so click Next. I am already logged into this phone, so sync in with my XIAOMI account. Okay, not login. So I am already got XIAOMI account, so click with Google. Welcome back. Now need set privacy protection password, maybe this one. One more time and click Next. Add. Okay, and now we add 2 photos into private album. So maybe find these photos, press and hold into albums and wait for seeing this icon. Privacy protection password, okay. Now need enter your password, cancel, and here we open our private album on this device. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.